Hi, I'm Tim Gibson. I'm going to talk to you about HVAC troubleshooting. Now, one of the best ways to make sure that your system maintains optimal performance, whether it's in the heating cycle in the winter months or in the cooling cycle in the summer months, is to make sure that you have routine maintenance done on your systems. So usually how that's worked up is you work with a company and they will inspect and make any repairs to your air conditioning system once a year and then to your heating system once a year. And that's really the best thing you can do as far as preventative measures to keep from having any problems with your HVAC. Now, if you have a situation where, well, it's a little cold, then the first thing you want to do is you always want to start troubleshooting your HVAC by checking the simplest things first. So the first thing we want to do is we want to check our thermostat and make sure it is set and it's working properly and it's where it's supposed to be. The next thing would be if we're not heating well enough or not cooling well enough, we could not be getting enough airflow because maybe our filter is clogged up. So we want to check our filters and make sure, and these should be changed out with these high efficiency filters. They ought to be changed out every 2 to 3 months. With standard filters, they ought to be changed out every month. Now, if your system is not running at all, then what you'd want to check there is a cutoff on the side of the unit. So you may want to check and make sure that that cutoff is still on the side of the unit. And then the next area would be to check your circuit breakers in your main panel, and then also your emergency cutoff that's on the exterior out by your air conditioning units. And if you check all those and you do have power and everything's working, but some of the part of the system, then it's really recommended that you contact a professional company that has experience in HVAC systems and have them come and take a look. Because in the long run, and particularly if you have an ongoing contract with somebody, you'll be much better off in maintaining your system and troubleshooting your system. So I'm Tim Gibson with some tips on troubleshooting your HVAC.